Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on the Body Shop Squeaky Clean Scrub. I have been using this scrub ever since I bought it, so I thought to share my views on it because it's been quite long I have been using. This is a facial scrub and I have already talked about this scrub in my Body Shop unboxing video. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link in the description box so that you can watch it. So yeah, let's start with the review. The tea tree scrub, it comes in a package like this. It basically contains tea tree and here it's written with purifying tea tree oil from the foothills of Mount Kenya. So this is basically for blemished skin. It is suitable for them, and this is a scrub with tiny beads are present in this scrub, and that helps you in exfoliating your dead skin cells. It is a very good scrub. It completely removes any impurities and dirt from your face, and it also unclogs the pores. So that way it helps in reducing the blemishes. So yeah, that is it, and it is a 100 ml tube and it retails for 795 rupees, although I got at a discounted price of about 50% off. I'm going to take out a little on my hand and show you the consistency and the texture of the scrub. It is very thin, and if you can see, it has got these tiny little beads in it. It is a very mild and gentle scrub. It does not at all make your skin feel stretched out or dried out after washing your face. It has also got the tea tree fragrance in it. I use this scrub twice a week and it works great for my skin. So yeah, that's all for the review of this scrub. I hope you find this video helpful, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.